friends, welcome back. It's Ms.Nahema here, and I'm here to do a fun activity with you where we're making a Smart Start hat, or any type of hat you like, and we'll be doing origami. So this origami activity, we'll be making a Smart Start hat. So my piece of paper is going to be red. My example hat, which says Smart Hat, is blue. So parents, you can help your kids do the origami project and follow along. First step to making the origami hat is to fold your paper in half. First, we fold our paper in half so we have a large rectangle. Then, we flip our paper over. Then, we fold our paper in another half until we have a smaller rectangle. Then we open it up, almost like a book. And then we're gonna make some triangles. So we take the corner of our paper, fold it in to the center of the line. Good job, friends. Next, we take the other side and we do the same. Fold it down so that they're nice and equal. Now, we have 2 triangles and 1 rectangle. Then for this project, we're going to glue down the inside of our triangles. One triangle, 2 triangles. Then we're gonna take our rectangle, put some glue, and then fold it upwards. Then we're gonna flip it over and do the same to our other side. Until we have both sides meeting. Then we have our hat. We flip it over, we open it up, and we decorate it however we like. And this is how your hat will look. If you guys love this project, give it a thumbs up and come back again. Bye.